Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Robert back here with us today. And I want to congratulate Robert for sticking around with the Texans. And he's just coming in here getting his tune-up. There's nothing really wrong with him, but we're tuning him up so that he performs at his maximum level of performance out there for the cornerback position for the Houston Texans. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards, Robert. And then neutral. Not bad today, just a little bit right translation. The very first time I adjusted Robert, I used the manual spinal decompression on him, which y'all come to love and know as the ring dinger. And it surprised him quite a bit, and he wasn't quite sure he wanted to do it anymore. But I think he understands now the importance of doing that. Because he came in here with that low back strain that time, remember? Yeah. And that got you out of that really quickly. Okay, excuse me 1 second. Okay, Robert, let's come over here and do this one first. Yeah, he still looks forward to this one. You know, with you being in such tip-top shape, you'll be outperforming a lot of people in that secondary. Do this nice and smooth today. There we go. That's it. Perfect. Good job. Now she didn't even look at that. She wasn't scared a bit. Alright. Perfect. Yes, sir. Good job. Have you been adjusted before?
Not like this.
Not like this though.
Yeah. It'll be a new experience for you, but I think you'll like it. Yes, sir. That's a full meal deal there, Robert. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy now. Now, Robert does a lot of like backing up and cutting sharp and turning and twisting and running, so he takes a lot of abuse in his hip joints and his hamstrings and quads, as well as his IT bands out here, his tensor fascia lata. So we're going to make sure we get those things worked out really good for him, so that he can keep performing at his peak level of performance. This low back's a lot better.
Yeah.
It's not been bothering you much, has it?
Nah, I've been keeping my weight off.
Yep. There you go. Good job. Mm-hmm. You gotta like this. Mm-hmm. I do. Okay. We'll get your neck here now, Robert. Yes, sir. Now, put it down this way just a little bit, right there. That's better. Yep. This is a muscle spindle technique that I'm doing right in the belly of your hamstrings. This will trick the Golgi tendon apparatus into relaxing and lengthening, so it won't be as tight. Probably a little tender out here on this IT band too.
Yeah.
All the way up into the hip here, see?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what.
But even work down into the gastrocnemius here and then the soleus on the inside. There's two parts of the calf muscle. The outside is the gastrocnemius and the inside is the soleus.
Yeah. Right there where you took.
That was sore, huh?
Yeah.
Both sides, actually.
Yeah.
This one's even more so, though.
Yeah, it's more tighter too.
Right there. Yep. And then your soleus, too, right there. even now, though. Yes, sir. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Good job. So I'm actually going to adjust your knees to stabilize those. See how that knee still has that play? That's from all those sharp cuts you make all the time. Okay, so I'm just going to do some stretch on this hamstring here. Go ahead and push against me. Exhale. Now inhale and relax. Okay, now exhale. Push hard and relax. And one more time. Yep, good job. So you're getting a lot better hamstring stretch than you had before. Okay, push and exhale. Relax and inhale. Push and exhale. And relax and inhale. One more time. Yes, sir. Good deal. Okay, now we're going to work on your quad up here. Same things, Golgi tendon apparatus, muscle spindles. Feel that lateral quad right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's the vastus lateralis. Ooh, boy, those are tender. Right there, especially.
Hicks.
Yep. Yep. That's why you guys got those pads all down the side of your pants. All right, my friend, let's sit you up, face here this way towards Joseph. There we go. Here. That's it. Yep. That's a good one. Yeah. Okay, let's stand up here in front of the mirror. And we're going to have you flex your head forward and backwards again. And then neutral. Yep, you're right down the middle now everywhere. Still just need to do this one right here for you. And pull this straight back and look up at the ceiling. You'll feel a little tap right there. There. Okay, now try that same thing again. This should feel even smoother. Yes, sir? Boy, you looking right down the middle. Everywhere. How's that feel?
Yeah, really good.
So would you share with your fellow players and the NFL athletes out there that are going outside the team doctors and trainers, is this a good thing to do to keep you at your peak performance?
Most definitely. I think it's a good thing to always have your own personal doctor, where you can see anytime, after a game, before a game. It definitely keep you adjusted at all times. So, it's a good deal.
Yeah, well, thank you for sharing that with everybody, Robert, and we wish you the best of luck in your NFL career.
Yes, sir.
And it's just taking off, so get ready.
Yes, sir.
Gonna fly high. All right, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.